Wonder who this could be. There he is.
Hey,
John, how are you, buddy? Good to see you, Tom. Good to see you, John. Good to see you, buddy.
It's a pleasure.
Welcome, man.
Yeah.
You guys ready to have some fun?
We're excited. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, Lee Steinberg! How are you, man? Good to see you.
It's great. How you doing?
Good. Come on into our palatial offices. And,
Awesome.
Make yourself at home.
I appreciate that. Great.
Hi everybody, I'm Tommy Voris.
And I'm Steve Napolitan.
We're the founders of Win-Win Weekend, which is right around the corner. Win-Win Weekend is all about helping small business owners, entrepreneurs, and sales professionals win in their marketing and win in their mindset.
Win in their business and win in their life.
What are we talking about? Most small business owners right now are currently not winning. And that's what we're about. Most small business owners, they may have achieved certain level of success, some success, but they never reached their original dreams, their original goals that they had set for themselves. And they're working 10, 12 hours a day, and they're running it on weekends just to get caught up.
And even worse, they're guessing at how to grow their business, guessing in their marketing, so much so that it's like being at a slot machine in Vegas. You're putting the money in, ding, 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 ding,
Yeah, so think about it. It does not need to be that way.
Not at all.
Yeah, so I want to take a second and just picture who is the rock star in your industry. I don't care what business you're in. I don't care if you're a chiropractor, a dentist, in real estate, mortgages, whatever it is. I want you to think about who has positioned themselves as the industry leader, as the rock star, as the go-to person. And we have a question for you.
Why not you?
You see, that's exactly what you're going to get at Win-Win Weekend. It's going to be our specific, it's called our famous formula for small business success. It's a formula, it's a system, it's a blueprint to get you from where you are, where your business is, to where it needs to be.
Yep, and I've used that with my corporate clients, and I've helped them increase their revenues into the tens of millions.
Yes.
And Tommy's used it in his numerous businesses to reach millions of dollars. So this same formula, we're going to not only give it to you, but actually walk you through it so you can learn exactly how to implement it into your business.
This system is plug and play. You come to the event, you shut down everything, and you work and you focus and you run your business through our system, through our program. It's a 3-day event, and you not only get me, you not only get Steve, but we bring our mentors and our friends.
Yes, John Assaraf and Lee Steinberg will be attending the event. Well,
Yes.
not only attending, but they're going to be speaking and training.
Lee Steinberg is the real Jerry Maguire. Remember that movie, Jerry Maguire? That was based on Lee Steinberg's life. Lee Steinberg's known as the #1 sports agent. What the guy has done is amazing. He's negotiated over $2 billion in sports contracts. And he set everything up, and he's done it by utilizing the win-win.
Yes.
He did it by utilizing the win-win philosophy, which we will go into. In fact, he has such a big heart, he's generated over $600 million for charity and nonprofits.
I've spent 40 years negotiating against some of the roughest, toughest multi-millionaires and billionaires with the largest egos in the Western Hemisphere.
He's going to come to the event and he'll be teaching his system, his process of negotiations.
And John Assaraf, who's huge. If you don't know him, he's big on mindset. He teaches people how to break through what's stopping them. And that comes in clearly in how many businesses he's had. Over 4 businesses that are in the multi-millions. And one of them, Bamboo.com, which is huge in the real estate. They did the virtual experience inside homes. Yeah. They actually taught more mindset than sales skills for their sales team, and in 9 months they reached over $1 million a month in revenue. Wow. And that's how big it is. And so as you learn our famous formula, as Tommy brought up, we want you to also have the mindset that so you won't stop. So you'll be able to take it and run with it, and John's going to help you to break through that at Win-Win Weekend.
I will personally show you how not just to set your goals,
but how to develop the mindset and the behaviors, meaning the strategies and tactics, to make every one of those goals become a reality. And so we'll show you the latest and the greatest ways to take action to achieve every one of your goals. The how to achieve any goal always comes after you choose the goal. So we'll show you the how, you come prepared with what you want to achieve.
He's going to be teaching how to stop what's stopping you. What's stopping you from growing your business today in this environment.
Which is huge.
Yeah. So we have a question for you. What if there was an event? What if there was a place you can go for 3 days where you can turn off your cell phones, shut down all distractions, and learn a process, learn a system, learn a formula which we've used to help over 10,000 small businesses grow in this environment. What if this program was guaranteed to work for you, for your business in this economy? And what if this event, what if the investment for this event was only $597? And what if it was guaranteed to work? What if it was guaranteed to work for whatever business you're in whatever industry you're in? Guaranteed to work. And when we can, the first day of the event, if you don't receive by the first day 10 times, 10 times of whatever you think you might get at the event. If it's not 10 times, if it's not 10 times greater, if the return's not 10 times greater the investment which you made to come to the event, it's 100% money back in cash on the spot. So the question is, would you take action?
You have to take the action. You have to step forward. We can give you all these things, but you come and take action, it will change your life.
In fact, one of the key distinctions, one of the key differences between the most successful people on the planet and the average, the mediocre, is action. The most successful people take continuous action. They're growth focused. They want to grow, they want to learn, and that's why they earn.
My question for you is, wouldn't it be great to do it now? Now is a great time.
It is a great time. And whether you're out there thinking, oh, this is the wrong economy or this or all these excuses, put those aside, because all of us right here, we're doing it right now.
In this economy. Our clients are striving in this economy today, and that's what we're going to give you at this event.
We look forward to seeing you at Win-Win Weekend.
So until we see you at the event,
be a winner!